Hello everyone, my name is Arnold. I live here in Chino, and I was able to contact and contract StoneShine to do the marbles here at the house. As you can see, this is the actual after project of what Aldo and his crew did from StoneShine. We did a tremendous job in restoring our marbles, not only in the kitchen, but the bathrooms, the floors, and also in the master bathroom, which you can see pictures online of what they did as before and after. I would definitely highly recommend StoneShine for your any restoration job, any cleaning or whatsoever in terms of any type of stones that you may have at your house. Action speaks louder than words. If you could just see the pictures of what they did before and after, Aldo and his group did an extremely tremendous job. So I would highly recommend StoneShine.